Woo! Thank you for joining me, guys. Today is a beautiful day. What I have here is a package that I've been most excited for. It is the 2019 MacBook with the famous HBM2 memory. I've been waiting for this for a while. Watched a lot of reviews of this thing, tried to get all the information I could, and I'm excited to open this up. Let's open this. Oh yeah. No knife needed. Okay. So, what we're looking at here is the 2019 Mac. This is the fall edition. It has 2.4 gigahertz, 8-core, the 9th generation, I should say, i9 processor. This baby has, I opted for the 16 gigs of RAM. I don't do much virtualization, and I believe by the time I upgrade to 32 when it's needed, I'll probably be looking at another laptop anyways. This thing has the AMD Radeon 5600M with the new HBM2 memory, and I went with the 1 terabyte SSD. So, I'm really excited to see what this thing looks like. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. So, I'm actually coming from a 2015 MacBook Pro Retina. I only had 256 gigs. It basically did all of my programming for me. I did a little bit of video editing, but things were rough not having that dedicated video card. But this baby should do it. I'm gonna do a lot of more in-depth videos with this, showcasing what it can do and setting up your environment, all that kind of fun stuff. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Let's get this thing open. Right off the bat, it's definitely heavier, just from that box. You can see. Oh yeah, this thing's like maybe like an extra pound or two compared to my 15-inch. So got USB-C, some manual stuff, and charger, which is 96 watts USB-C charger. I believe I had a 65 watt, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys want to see that. Beautiful. Oh. Space gray. Had a gray laptop for so long, so space gray is nice. And here we are. So, has a dedicated escape button, which I think that key was something that people wanted a lot. And there is a divider now, looks like, for the actual thumb pad or fingerprint, besides the trackpad here. And the keys, oh, the keys look like my 2015 keys. That's gonna be beautiful.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Woo! English it is. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a fresh install. Catch you guys in the next video where I'll show you what it's like to run this thing, what things I install, and yeah, we'll go from there. So appreciate you guys being here. Like, subscribe, comment. Make sure to follow me on social media. Catch you guys later.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac,
We'll skip that.